What's up everybody, welcome to a new video. Okay, so in today's video I'll be giving you guys the analysis that you can use. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end. So as you guys can see, I'm currently on volatility 75 on the 1 hour time frame, right? I'm just going to remove this horizontal lines. Okay, now what I want you guys to do for me is, if you're watching this this video from your phone, make sure to rotate your screen, okay, so that you can have the best quality. Okay, so by the look of things, we can actually see that volatility 75, right, has been moving in an uptrend for the past few days, right? Let's say past few weeks, right? Now if you had caught this trade over here, right, you would probably have made a lot of money, right? Because volatility 75 is very volatile. But the thing is, what most people don't understand is that everything that goes up must come down, right? For example, when we draw a trend line, okay, we can actually see that volatility 75 broke out of that trend line, and what it did after that was it went up again, right? So as you guys can see over here, it went up, right? But let me just remove this trend line and show you guys the analysis that I'm talking about, right? Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna look for our support and resistance on the 1 hour time frame. Then we're gonna scale down to lower time frames, right? So as you can see over here, this is our highest support level. Okay, and when we look closer, okay guys, we can actually see that we have a level over here. You guys can see there's two touches, right? And over here, okay, we can see here's another level, right? There's two touches, right? And by the look of things, right, we are currently focusing on this. Okay, and why am I saying we're focusing on this? Because we can't focus over here what happened over here, because price has already moved past that level, right? We are focusing on what we're seeing at the moment, right? So as we can see, what price did was price rejected that trend line. Okay, check this out. So when I scroll back, we can actually see that there's a touch, second touch. Okay, that's the first touch, second touch, right? And we have our third touch, and here's our fourth touch, right? So we could have bought over here, right, until this level, right? Remember, I always tell you guys to buy at the third touch, right? Now it just rejected this trend line again over here, and this is our fourth touch. Okay, there's no entries at the moment, but okay, I'm just gonna show you guys something real quick on the 1 hour time frame. Check this out. If you had trade volatility 75, you could have taken the buy over there, right? And over here, could have taken the buy again, right? So what we're waiting for at the moment is a lower high, right? We are waiting for a lower high on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now a lower high looks like this. If price decides to make a lower high, okay, check this out. This is how lower high looks, right? We're gonna draw a trend line from this position, okay, that starts over here until there. And what we're gonna wait for is, if price decides, okay, to break above that trend line, right, what's gonna happen? We're gonna take a buy, right? And if price breaks below the trend line, we're gonna take a sell until this support level over here. Okay, check this out. You guys see what I'm talking about? We're waiting for a lower high before we draw a trend line. Okay, check that out. Right now, I'm just gonna remove this and show you guys what's happening on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, but based on a 1 hour time frame, that is what we can do if you want to trade a 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me just remove all the stuff I've selected. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the 15-minute time frame, right? Okay, so we're on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, and what we can see on the 15-minute time frame is we had a small lower high. Okay, you can see what price did, right? Price did this. Check this out. Price came to this level, right? Rejected the level, came down, went up again. So what we can do now is we're gonna draw a trend line. Okay, remember, you won't always find everything on one time frame. Okay, sometimes you'll have to scale down to lower time frames, but there are people who's trading out there who's only trading one time frame, right? And these people are making money. Okay, now I have different strategies, and that's why I'm always showing you guys different analysis and how you're supposed to do things. So as you guys can see, at the moment, what price is doing is price is moving in an uptrend, because we can see this is a small chart pattern, right? And it's moving up again. And the same thing happened over here, like I showed you guys on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so what we can expect from price is, if price, okay, decides to come up, right, what it can do is, let me just add my rectangle. It can come to this level, right, over here, then come back down, then go up, right? But if it doesn't come to that level, it's gonna break below this trend line over here. And what's gonna happen after that? Price is gonna come to this level before going up. But if it breaks below this support over here, it's gonna continue to the downside, right? It's gonna go in the downtrend, because we've seen that the market has been moving in uptrend. And remember, what goes up must come down, right? But if price decides to break above this level over here, what's gonna happen? It's gonna move to this major resistance before coming down. And if it breaks the major resistance, it's gonna continue moving in an uptrend. Okay guys, so that's the only thing I wanted to tell you guys. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also join my free Telegram group where I give you guys updates on what videos I would post, and ask you guys questions, also send free systems in EAs. Thank you.